Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, the Ministry acknowledged the issue of fish poisoning and has been working with the communities and relevant stakeholders to create and promote awareness on an educational campaign on this issue. Madam Speaker, fish poisoning is prevalent in Fiji. However, underreporting of the cases has been an issue. To address this, the Ministry of Fisheries is working with key partners such as the Ministry of Health, relevant non-government organizations and local communities to address the issues. The practice is that reports are only submitted once the affected face serious illness that lead to fatalities. Madam Speaker, after the fatalities caused by eating the Niwa in January last year, the Ministry of Fisheries has strengthened its efforts on the following awareness program. First, in creating awareness through publications. I have here the publications that has been given all around Fiji and available to areas where fish is being sold in the public markets and around the government offices all around Fiji. And the Honourable Member can take a copy. And also the issue of fish poisoning that has been published in daily newspapers and publications that have been circulated around Fiji. Madam Speaker, after the awareness through publications, the Ministry has printed more than 2,000 copies of this, and this process has been widely distributed, as I've alluded to. These posters carry details of fish species and the likely area where they are to be found, and also the months in which consumers need to be more vigilant because of the various species that can be poisonous. The publication also urges the public to take necessary precautionary actions when choosing which fish to buy, as Cichatoria toxin fish cannot be destroyed by freezing, cooking or any other process. It cannot be detected by appearance, color or texture or taste. This is why it is important for consumers to be vigilant. Fisheries has weekly radio talkback shows in the 3 main languages. Moreover, collaborative partners such as the Ministry of Health, we were able to develop information packages on fish poisoning. These information packages are used to raise awareness with the communities around Fiji during road shows and community workshops. Madam Speaker, we are currently holding discussions with municipal markets to assist in creating awareness not only to vendors but the general public by the establishment of information boards. Moreover, Madam Speaker, through further collaboration, the Ministry is working closely with the Ministry of Health, the Fiji National University, and the University of the South Pacific in collecting data pertaining to fish poisoning. Our ability to come up with solutions will depend on additional science and the assessment of incidences. Thank you, Madam Speaker.